Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. I know I promised a video, but you know, like funds, stuff starts happening, and then all of a sudden, something else comes up, and it's more money. So, plan is to still, build something. The channel is still gonna get going, but as of right now, I am retiring that piece of shit right there. I'm going to sell it, and then I picked up a new car tonight. It is a possible needs a head gasket, so it is a great opportunity for me to show you guys the new Icon torque wrench that I got for my birthday. I got some other tools as well, which I could show you later. But yeah, let's just get into it. So Harbor Freight decided to, I don't know if they released this or if they went into a company or something like that, but it is their Icon brand. I just found out that there is a recall on some of their ratchets, but as of right now, I don't think there's a recall on this. But this is their half-inch drive torque wrench. I was eyeing it up and stuff. I have that Harbor Freight $20 torque wrench, whatever, that I never really trusted. I mainly used it as like a big ratchet. But I got this one for my birthday. The amazing girlfriend got it for me, and the quality is amazing. So I already have it out of the box because it's sitting right here because, trying to be prepared. And the case is pretty nice, actually. I mean, it's still, you got your, your plastic case, whatever, but it's got some nice, like little clip things that seem like pretty durable. So I don't know if, hopefully, everything lasts on it and stuff like that, but, for the price and everything, this is like a pretty good ratchet, actually. I mean, $100 ratchet, you can buy definitely a lot out there and stuff like that, but it shows in there that it's only off by like 1% or something like that. Like, I'm not really sure how to read these things, but yeah, this is everything it comes with. So I'll show that a little bit. Some dude named Nick, so I'm kind of trusting on you, Nick. But yeah, here's a torque wrench. It's very, it feels like quality, which is pretty awesome. I mean, if you guys know what the price is, I'm pretty sure that this is like $100 at Harbor Freight. But so yeah, I'd hope for the quality that or for the price that the quality actually meets it. But it has a nice little locking collar right here, so when you adjust it, see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah, you push it in, you can adjust it, and then as soon as you lock it out, you won't be able to move it, so you won't accidentally bump off of your torque readings, or your torque setting. And I don't know, I will get the chance to use it. Like I said, I'm picking up a car tonight, so in the next video, we are going to be checking out cooling issues, or overheating issues, I should say, to try to pinpoint down exactly what it is. I think it's a head gasket, but we're gonna go through and check everything out anyways. But that is my Icon torque wrench. Can't see a review yet, but quality review maybe? I don't know. Very nice. I actually plan on buying all the Icon stuff except for the tool benches because I don't see spending that much money on something to hold tools. But hope you guys enjoy this video. Look forward to next video. Like I said, I'm picking up the car tonight, so we might make a video on it tonight, maybe tomorrow night. I'm not too sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go hit up Icon. Go up to Harbor Freight and check out the new product release. I'm actually pretty happy, and I can't wait to buy more.